Spring has sprung and St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner. Get excited for the season with a steep exfoliating Irish coffee cream scrub. I'm Maddie, and today in the AFI lab I'll be showing you guys how to make it in just a few simple steps. So I'll stop blabbering and let's hop right into it. Begin by melting down your cocoa butter in the microwave. This should only take about 30 seconds to a minute. Once it's fully melted, remove it from the microwave and add in the fractionated coconut oil. Give those two a good stir and follow it up with a Cocamidopropyl Betaine, which will give this scrub some foaming bubbles that will feel great on the skin. Gently mix it in, making sure not to produce too many bubbles at this stage. Now we can add in the vitamin E oil, an excellent antioxidant. Even though this formula doesn't contain any water, it will be used in the shower, which means there is a chance it will get water in it from the shower. As such, it's necessary that we use a preservative to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria in the scrub. For that, I'll be using Optiphen Plus. Stir it in with everything else and we're almost done. Now it's time to add a fragrance. Naturally, I'll be using our Irish coffee cream scent for a touch of sweetness. With our fragrance added in, all that's left to do is to incorporate everything into our coffee grounds. Drizzle the oil mixture over the coffee grounds and use gloved hands or a spatula to get all of the grounds saturated. Once the grounds and liquid are fully combined, use a spatula to carefully scoop the scrub into your packaging container of choice. Simply scoop some into your hand, rub over damp skin in the bath or shower. It will leave your customers feeling clean, moisturized, and exfoliated. It costs us about $4 to make 14 ounces of product in total, meaning this amount can be sold wholesale for $5 to $8 and retail for $10 to $16 depending on the fragrance and the additives that you choose to use. If you guys did enjoy following along with us in the lab today, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Your support means the world to us here. As always, I'm Maddie, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!